Today I got an XRP SEC update. This is hot off the press. This is incredible, ladies and gentlemen. This is awesome. Ripple bosses prepare for battle with the SEC. Listen, I hold a small bag of XRP, and I'm going to share with you what I'm planning to do with that towards the end of this article. But I will tell you right now, this very moment, this Brad Garlinghouse, I mean, this is the CEO that you want. You want somebody who's going to go to battle. This guy is going to battle. Oh, it's refreshing to see this. So many times in the corporate space, I've seen CEOs fold under any sort of government regulatory pressure. And this is an example of it. Look, the SEC is woefully unprepared for this. If you go look at some of their court filings, like it's not even very detailed in some ways, like compared to other court filings. I've been reading and looking at some of the analysis on it, and it's really amazing. It's almost like the SEC either doesn't know what they're doing, which is probably not the case, or they just didn't expect this kind of fight. And it's probably the latter. And you got to understand, the SEC, the employees at the SEC, the lawyers and whatnot that are over there filing, they don't have skin in the game. Brad Garlinghouse has taken this personal. This man has skin in the game, and he is gearing up for a battle. This is incredible. He's hired an incredible attorney as well, by the way. Let's continue. Let's talk about what's going on. Ripple chief Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson are gearing up to battle the SEC Securities and Exchange Commission with a legal fight that may shape the way cryptocurrencies are regulated. This is my number one concern. I have less concern with the future of XRP and Ripple. I have more concern with how they're going to ultimately regulate cryptocurrencies in the future, and that's why I'm paying so much attention to this. Beleaguered Ripple and its native XRP cryptocurrency have struggled under the weight of the SEC allegations after financial officers branded the organization an unregistered security. The cryptocurrency, highly popular in the US and UK, had been on a steady upward curve until the allegations surfaced. Despite the effort of the company's many followers, the XRP army, prices have remained held back as investors approach with caution. By the way, shout out to the XRP army. XRP has been looking strong at almost 70 cents a unit before the SEC made its feelings known on December 22nd, 2020. Within 24 hours, it had fallen below 25 cents. Currently, XRP is trading at around 45 cents, following an impressive recent market lift back above 60 cents. Okay, by the way, quick investing story. Anytime you see news and you see something tank hard, then always expect negative news almost always causes the underlying asset to oversell. Typically, that's the time to buy. Just so you know, and this is proof of it. It fell below 25 cents and it went all the way up to 45 cents. That's almost a 50% gain within a matter of, days or a couple of short weeks. And it went as high as 60 cents. So, I mean, that's what, close to 150% gain if you were able to sell at the top. As welcome as the comeback has been to XRP fans, many argue that the SEC action has crippled what was a remarkable upward curve that had been on track to challenge its all-time high of $3.92 and, more importantly, stunted its market capitalization growth. I find this sort of stuff annoying, this sort of analysis annoying. Yes, this could very well be true, especially because we're entering a bull market, 100%, but it's just speculation. The reality is, if XRP is headed toward $3.92. If it's headed towards $3.92 before, it's going to head there again. So if you believed it was on path to get there, then it's probably going to get there anyway, depending on how this lawsuit shakes out. And as you're going to see as I continue to read, this lawsuit, I think, is heavily favoring XRP. I'm probably biased, but they're making a much stronger case right now. The SEC filed against Garlinghouse and Larson to the U.S. District Court of Southern New York, complaining that sales of $1.3 billion of XRP by Ripple and its executives from 2013 to 2020 constituted an ongoing unregistered offering of securities. The 7 years were, according to the authority, a violation of Section 5 of the 1933 Securities Act. Plain and simple. Now, let me just say this, what they're not saying in this article, and I mentioned this in a previous video. By the way, I'm following this story, so if you want to stay up to date on what's going on with XRP, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you believe in cryptocurrency and you believe in the future of cryptocurrency, make certain you smash that like button. Now, here's what's crazy. This whole 7-year period they're complaining about right here, XRP previously filed a motion with the court. And in that motion, they filed a document with the court, whatever the right term is. And in that document, they basically said there's a major exchange that actually reached out to the SEC and asked for guidance on XRP during this 7-year time period. And the SEC did not stop them and did not warn them that they should not list XRP. So therefore, it was interpreted by the exchange that the SEC clearly had no problem with XRP. So that's something that's not mentioned right here, but it's just further sign that XRP has a much better case, I believe, my opinion, not legal advice, but I'm not a lawyer, but that is my opinion. I believe they have a much better case, and that was one of the reasons why when I saw that I thought, wow, that's interesting. Plain and simple. However, lawyers acting for Garlinghouse have now returned fire. Get this. Pending a letter to Annalise Torres, a federal judge, that states the litigation represents regulatory overreach, plain and simple, and that the Ripple CEO intends to dismiss the allegations. The letter then goes on to list the reasons why Ripple's lawyers believe the SEC's allegations fail for a number of reasons. Protest centers around the SEC's accusation that the pair were able to manipulate the XRP market through their sales, and it questions the SEC's ability to comprehend the economic realities of XRP sales. Can we say that again? It questions the SEC's ability to comprehend the economic realities of XRP sales. The letter is a robust signal of intent that a legal battle is looming, and it throws the gauntlet down to the SEC, which must now demonstrate evidence that shows Ripple's bosses had committed violations that assisted the company financially. Whatever the outcome, many experts will agree the case could shape the way cryptocurrencies are regulated in the future on both sides of the Atlantic. So this is the part that I'm most concerned about the whole thing, and I'm so thankful that Ripple has a CEO, but with Brad Garlinghouse and Larson's that are willing to take this on and willing to fight. When you look at the details of the case, it's just unbelievable. All right, so what am I doing with my XRP? I'm holding it. Not financial advice for you, not legal advice for you, but I fully believe that XRP is going to win this case, or they're going to get a favorable settlement. That's most likely what's going to happen. They're going to get a settlement. They might have to pay some sort of a fine, but it's going to be in their favor. And at the end of the day, I think the price is going to go up. So I'm earning XRP right now. I actually haven't bought any. I'm earning XRP because those of you that follow my channel know that I focus on passive income investing. That's what our newsletter is about. That's what our cryptocurrency course is about. In the description, all of it, I focus on passive income investing. So one of my investments kicks off multiple cryptocurrencies. One of those cryptocurrencies happens to be Ripple. I'm not selling it. I'm literally holding it. I typically would sell, honestly, but I'm holding it right now. I've not been a Ripple investor until all this happened. And really, my investment for me symbolizes two things. A, it symbolizes I'm optimistic about the future of what's going to happen with the SEC and Ripple. The second is it's really support for the entire cryptocurrency because of what Brad Garlinghouse and these guys are doing to help really define regulations, hopefully in a way that is favorable for the rest of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Hey, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button if you think XRP is going to beat the SEC. Decentralized cryptocurrency equals freedom. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out. And one last thing, I'm about to put up a video where I'm going to show you how I ended up going from about $5,000 in the month of February, $5,000 worth of cryptocurrency, to just over $20,000. You're not going to want to miss that. So make certain that you smash that subscribe button, click that bell notification icon, click all. That video is going to be coming up a little bit later today. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I'm out.